What's going on, guys? This is Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. I want to show you guys this 1969 Buick Skylark that we just completed with KPMF red, black, iridescent. Depending on how you look at this color, it will look black or it will look like a dark red. We also install a custom matte black stripe with hexes, skin tag, matte black in the center of the hood and on the back rear trunk. Yeah, just check out the colors. Let me give you guys some up close shots so you guys can see the quality. Right here on the corner of this fender, we actually had a big dent that we were able to repair for the customer and get it dialed in so the car could look as good as new. The customer actually used to own this vehicle back in the days, years ago, and it was this exact color. This is the reason why he chose to wrap it with this color, just to bring it back to his, original condition of the one he used to own, back in the days. As you can see, this color is very rich. Our installation is very well done. We specialize in providing, paint-like installations. We like to give you guys a finish that resembles paint. We like to give you guys that feel that the car got painted. When you pull up to our gas station, people tell you, nice paint job. That's our goal. No lifting corners, no bubbling, no edges. You can see the depth of the color here. You can actually see the reflection of the whole street as well as our chrome vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the doors so you guys can also see how far we go into the door jambs when you guys pick a premium vehicle wrap, a premium color change wrap. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave us your comments and your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.